Well, folks, we're on our way. Here's our bikes. We'll be moving shortly. Well, here we are in Nyack. Look what the hell I found, guys. Freaking house. Top of the freaking mountain. Look at this. Check this out. Freaking house. Let's go down. Check it out. Empty, none in there. Empty. There goes the ceiling. Empty. Check it out. There goes that cliff down there. By the water. Okay, let's go back up. Okay, here. Just took a break. We just took a break. And another. Check this abandoned house out. What the hell is going on? And as you can see, it's all downhill. All woods. All over the place. Story house. Check it out. Check it out. And let me tell you,
In the backyard.
all this is just, all this, we're on a mountain. It's called Hook Mountain. Up by Nyack, New York. Check it out, look at this. Unbelievable.
The backyard.
Unbelievable, look, check it out. This is one room. This is so cool. Check out the backyard. Let's go see what's back here. Come on, folks. A lot of spider webs. Spooky, ain't it? Yeah, it's kind of spooky to me. Freaking house all the way out here in the woods, on top of a mountain, as a matter of fact. Yeah, look at that. Down there's the fucking Hudson. Let's go back up. That too.
Yo.
Check out the plant. What kind of plant is that, man?
Oh, that's the fan, bro.
Oh,
Look, can you see this on me?
fake train.
The heart rate monitor?
Where you got it at?
Not noticeable, right?
Where you got it at?
Right here. Are you ready?
And we still got a little ways to go. Okay, signing off. Here's what they caught. Yeah, this is the top of, definitely the top of the mountain. This is what they caught the Andre for treason. Yeah, this is the top. It's got to be the top. They caught him, hanged him for treason. Yeah, I think he's nervous. I don't know what the fuck he's doing with that stick.
If it doesn't line up, it won't read the sensor.
Oh. Man, they got some, all these houses on top of the mountain. Yeah. Yeah. Look like they've been here since. Look at this. Look at this. Check this out. This is so cool. Check it out. Check it out. Very cool. Hey, how you doing? It's very, very, very cool. Check out the faces.
You'll find yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true.
People find themselves.
Oh, this is awesome. It's awesome. Check it out, check it out. Oh, there's more faces on this side. And he even got a tomato plant. Check out the tomatoes. Check out, got some more. He even got some back there in the yard. Yeah, he got a lot. Eh? Hey, look at, he's got a lot. Look at the tools he used. These are cool. Look at this. Look at the view back there.
Aren't they fun?
Beautiful.
He's a neat guy. Every spare moment he had, Harvey had.
Lifetime achievement.
No, he started when he retired.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. Now he's over 80. Oh, there he is.
Wow, this is unbelievable. Look at all this he got. Unbelievable stuff, man. Hey Ed, these are real people faces. They look like real people faces. Well, he got hundreds of them. Hey, that's unbelievable.
Like the one with the 4 in a row?
With the what?
4 in a row, the one on top of that big one?
This one, right?
And that tall, skinny one I like. I like the tall, skinny ones. Those are really nice. What's different?
If you look at some of them, they're gonna look back at you. So don't be surprised.
This is some cool work.
Yeah, I like the tall, skinny ones. Wow.
Or then walk to the edge there.
You
I
got a
could?
beautiful view. I
Walk
love
there,
the view.
Walk there to the end.
Look at his tools.
Got a beautiful view.
Look at the tools he uses.
Fortunate.
What town is this?
The Haverstraw, or this
Haverstraw.
place, Dutch town. But it's a part of Haverstraw, not a
There's
mile.
only so many houses, or it keeps going all the way.
No, then it's a quarry.
Oh, the stone quarry?
Quarry.
That's where you got all these pieces from?
No, from all over. There's one quarry, it's only basalt, bluestone.
You did this in the country? I'm saying from where you came from.
Wow, Ed.
You immigrated.
Hey, he got some nice ones back here.
My father's from Malta. He was a stone cutter.
Wow.
Stone cutter and a merchant marine.
These are awesome.
Sicilian, plus Sicilian, yeah.
Order of St. John.
Got a rock thing there. Really good. You see right there? Looks like a what?
Okay, now we're going to Rockland Lake. Well, here we are. Rockland State Park. There goes the lake. Enjoy, folks. Look at the lily ponds. Look at a mountain.